data-driven instruction, and Gardner's 8 intelligences. Every teacher needs to know what these are and how important they are when they become connected. First, data-driven instruction is an ongoing cycle. After teaching, you then assess your students and analyze their work. After that, you reflect, and based off of their results, you then take action on what to do next for them. Each intelligence plays an important role in how each individual student learns. After analyzing their work, something may not be working. Here are the types of intelligences you need to know because one of these just might be your answer on what to do next. Teaching shouldn't drive you crazy, and after you watch this video, you'll know what to do. The first type of intelligence is called musical or rhythmic. Musical learners learn best by listening to songs and using rhythm as a learning strategy. The second type of intelligence is called naturalist. These type of learners are outdoor people and work well with nature. The third type of intelligence is called linguistic or verbal learners. These students are word smart and learn well by writing, for example, in a journal. The fourth type of intelligence is called bodily or kinesthetic learners. These students need to be active and are very hands-on type of learners. The fifth type of intelligence is called intrapersonal. These students work well independently and think things through on their own. The sixth type of intelligence is called interpersonal. These students are sociable and work more efficiently as a group. The seventh type of intelligence is logical or mathematical learners, which are students that learn well with numbers being involved. The final type of intelligence is called spatial or visual learners. These students learn well by looking at or observing pictures. I made my own lesson plan on how to write a business letter. I later corrected the work once I assessed my students after my lesson. When I was looking through them, not all students did the same. The ones who did poorly, I went in onto Schoology where they posted what kind of intelligence they were best at. I then later learned that some of them were different. Most of them were either visual or interpersonal, intrapersonal. Those are usually the common ones. So, my next step on how to improve on their grade would be including that kind of intelligence into my lesson plan. It does help when you know what students are like and how they learn. Personal experience in my Intro to Ed class was when I looked at already corrected paper. I went through and I saw what a good score was, what a low score was, and then my next step was how to accommodate those who were lower scores and what to do next on how to improve their grade. Well, one thing that definitely helped was knowing all 8 intelligences, because then I could kind of work around and see if one intelligence wasn't included in the activity that they did, maybe the next time to help them, I would include a different intelligence and see if that could reach them better. When you're reflecting on your work, it's not always about what you did, but what you're going to do next. So next time, use one of the new 8 intelligences to reach those other learners that you didn't get the first time around.